Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine. Let's do the back exercise of chapter 1 of Science Growing Plants. Open your book at page 14 if you have the book. But if you don't have the book, no problem. You need not to write the full back exercise, but note down the answers in the notebook and solve it when you get the book. Okay, you can ask the parents to help you to write it. बट आंसर्स आपको ही लिखने हैं. ओके, एज पेरेंट्स आर हेल्पिंग यू शुड ऑल्सो हेल्प द पेरेंट्स. आप उनकी बात मानते हो ना? ओके, गुड. नाउ लेट्स डू. फर्स्ट इज select the correct answer. First one is, which part of the seed protects the tiny plant inside the seed? And the answer is seed coat. What protects the baby plant inside the seed? Outer hard covering, that is seed coat. So answer is C. And second one, initially the seedling gets its food from. स्टार्टिंग में जब फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं हो रही होती न्यू प्लांट में, तब तक जो फूड कौन प्रोवाइड करवाता है सीडलिंग्स को? सीडलिंग मीन्स बेबी प्लांट. तो उनको फूड कौन देता है? कॉटिलीडन्स. डी पार्ट. So cotyledons provide the food to the seedling in the initial stages. Now answer is D. Cotyledons. Now next third one is, a new rose plant can be grown from its stem cutting. A is the answer. Stem cutting, it is to put in the soil. We water it, उसको पानी देते हैं. देन उसमें से न्यू लीव्स रूट्स ग्रो करती हैं एंड द स्टेम कटिंग से वी कैन गेट द न्यू प्लांट. सो आंसर इज स्टेम. फोर्थ वन इज, द डिस्पर्सल ऑफ सीड टेक्स प्लेस थ्रू विंड. यस. वाटर. यस. एनिमल्स. यस. सो आंसर इज डी, ऑल ऑफ देम. Seed dispersal means scattering seeds. Seeds scatter करते हैं away from the mother plant through wind, water and animals. Now next fifth one is, Rabi crops are grown in November to April. C is the right answer because Rabi crops grow in winter season. They are grown in November and they are harvested in April. Harvested means we cut them and we gather the grains. Next, second part is tick the correct statement and cross the wrong one. First is, cotyledons store food for the baby plant. Yes, it is correct. Second, outer covering of seed is called seed coat. It is also correct. जो सीड की बीज की आउटर हार्ड कवरिंग होती है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? सीड कोट. Third one is, seeds of coconut and lotus are dispersed by air. No, this is wrong. So cross it. Because seeds of coconut and lotus are dispersed by water. Lotus seed is spongy and lotus grows in water. So seeds float in water and are dispersed. And coconut seed, it has fibrous covering. It also grows near water bodies. So both of these are dispersed by water, not by air. Fourth is, crops that grow in winter are called Rabi crops. Yes. Wheat, grams, etc. They are Rabi crops. They grow in winter. Fifth one is, new plants can grow only from seeds. No. New plants can also be grown from parts of the plants like roots, stem, leaves, underground stems, spores, etc. So fifth one is cross. Now third part is fill in the blanks. The seed contains a baby plant called embryo inside it. Yes. You will write embryo. What do we call the baby plant? Embryo. When the seed, second one is, when the seed germinates, the radicle grows first. When the seed germinates, जब seed में से new plant निकलता है तो सबसे पहले क्या grow होता है? Radicle. Radicle grows into soil and later on it changes into root. रेडिकल के बाद में प्लम्यूल ग्रो करता है, विच ग्रोज इनटू शूट लेटर ऑन. सो सबसे पहले जो ग्रो करता है after seed germination, that is called radicle. Third one is seeds of dandelion are dispersed by air because they are lightweight. And the fourth is growing seeds from their body parts other than seed is called vegetative propagation. Plants do not grow only from seeds, they are grown from seed. They are grown from the parts of the plant also. So growing plants from the parts of plant is called vegetative propagation. Fifth one is large scale cultivation of plants for food and other purposes is called agriculture. We grow plants because they are very useful to us. They give us so many things. Okay, they give us fruits, vegetables, oils, fibers, etc. So large scale cultivation, cultivation means growing them. So large scale cultivation of plants for food and other purposes is called agriculture. Now look at these pictures. You have to tell the agent which help in the seed dispersal. These are the pictures of seeds. First one is cockleber or xanthium. It has spines, so it is dispersed by animals. Because animals के ये skin और fur में चिपक जाता है and it is carried by them from one place to another. Second one is cotton. ये light weight होता है, so it is dispersed by air. And third picture is of lotus. Lotus seeds are dispersed by water because they can float in water and lotus grows in water. So they are carried from one place to another by water. Okay, students? Thank you.